Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Buddy. If you want to improve your English naturally while enjoying interesting and meaningful stories, then you're in the right place. Here on the English Buddy, we learn English through stories. Each story helps you improve your listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking skills in a fun and relaxing way. And today, I have a heartwarming story for you called The Old Man and the Lost Letter. This is the touching story of a young delivery boy whose simple act of kindness changed his life forever. What started as an ordinary winter morning soon became an unforgettable journey filled with friendship, gratitude, and an unexpected surprise. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's story. And if you enjoy learning English through stories, don't forget to subscribe to the English Buddy and join our community of English learners from around the world. Now, without further ado, let's begin. The Old Man and the Lost Letter. On a cold winter morning, a young delivery boy named Alex was riding his bicycle through the streets of a small town. He worked long hours every day, delivering newspapers and packages to support his mother. One day, while passing through a quiet park, Alex noticed an old man sitting alone on a bench. The man looked worried and kept searching through his pockets. Curious, Alex stopped his bicycle and asked, "Sir, are you okay?" The old man sighed deeply and said, "I lost something very important." "What did you lose?" Alex asked. The old man looked at him with sad eyes. "A letter," he replied. Alex was surprised. "A letter?" The old man nodded. "It was written by my wife many years ago. She passed away 10 years ago, and that letter is the only thing I have left." Hearing this, Alex felt sorry for him. Without wasting any time, he parked his bicycle and began searching around the park. For nearly 2 hours, they searched everywhere. Under benches, near the trees, beside the walking path. But they found nothing. As the sun began to set, Alex noticed a piece of paper trapped under a bush. He carefully picked it up. It was old and slightly torn. "Sir!" Alex shouted. The old man's eyes filled with tears. "My letter." With trembling hands, he opened it carefully. Inside were simple words written many years ago. "My dear husband, if you are reading this, remember that love never truly disappears. Even when I am gone, I will always be with you." The old man couldn't hold back his tears. He looked at Alex and smiled. "Thank you, young man." Alex smiled and said, "Anyone would have done the same." The old man shook his head. "No, kindness is rare these days." The next morning, Alex continued his work as usual. Weeks later, he received an unexpected letter. It was from a university. Inside was a scholarship worth thousands of dollars. Confused, Alex read the letter again. At the bottom, there was a note. "Never stop being kind. The world needs people like you." It was signed by the old man. Alex later learned that the old man had once been a famous professor and had decided to help the boy who had helped him. Years later, Alex became a successful teacher, but he never forgot that winter day in the park. Because sometimes a small act of kindness can change